This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials now. Enable your phone's personal hotspot and confirm it has mobile data left. On your Xbox, check for the latest system update and keep the console on the network settings screen. Once done, set a clear SSID and a strong password on your phone. Make sure the hotspot broadcasts on 4 GHz if possible, since Xbox compatibility favors it. Move phone within a few meters. Avoid thick walls or crowded Wi-Fi channels, so the pairing starts cleanly. On the console, go straight to Settings, General Network Settings, and choose Set up Wireless Network. You'll see your phone's SSID, select it, and type the hotspot password carefully, matching case and symbols. Once connected, let the Xbox use automatic IP and DNS. This avoids manual errors. After connecting, choose Test Network Connection so you can see latency and NAT status. If the NAT is strict, note it. You may need to toggle hotspot settings or enable mobile AP features on your phone to improve traversal. Finish by running party, multiplayer, or store tests to confirm everything works. Check that NAT is open or at least moderate for smooth matches. If you hit a strict NAT or no connection, restart the phone and the Xbox, then try again. Make sure the phone stays plugged to power and in a cool place because throttling or power saving will drop the hotspot. If problems persist, forget the network on Xbox, switch the hotspot band between 2, 4, and 5 GHz, and reconnect. This often resolves compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.